equation or example is a pretty basic one because it's just a one-step equation. But once again, we are going to use inverse operations to find the positive value of x, which makes this equation true. So it's just a one-step equation, and the inverse operation of squaring a number is to take the square root. So if I take the square root of the left side, it cancels out the x squared and it just leaves x by itself. And if I take the square root of the right side, by the way, you can use a calculator on this one since this is not one of the numbers that you had to have memorized. If you're using a phone calculator, specifically an iPhone, I don't know about Androids and other brands, but I know that if I want to make my calculator on my phone scientific, I have to turn it, I have to rotate it so that it's horizontal. And if I do that, I'm able to use the square root function, and I find that the square root of 289 is 17. Technically, it's actually a positive and a negative 17, but this one gives us the direction of only finding the positive. Last step is to verify. So I'm just going to check my work by substituting the 17 in for the x on the original equation. So I'm going to see if 17 squared does actually equal 89, or excuse me, 289. Going to check that with my calculator, and it does. So check. Therefore, x equals 17.